Hey Josh, so I'm gonna have you check my Nearpod math lessons and you will go into this Google sheet that I'm gonna share with you for 4th grade and 5th grade. And so basically I wrote their student names here, and on the top you're gonna tell me the math lesson or which day it was. So I'm gonna text you my login information. It should take you to this Nearpod page with all the lessons that I have. What I would like for you to do is go to reports that's on this left-hand side. You can click on it. And basically, if you don't mind going back to the beginning of September, only for the math assignments, you'll see 5th grade Tuesday, September 1st math homework. Then you're going to click on it, and then you can click on students. You don't have to worry about the first page for the summary, but what I want you to mainly focus on is when I have these draw it worksheets or activities. You can click on it, and then it's going to pop up this green box of my instructions, and if you click down, you'll see that Arkin had submitted a drawing. So I want you to please look over it and see if he got it correct. So Tuesday, September 1st math homework. It seems like he got this all correct. And so what you can do is you go here, go to 5th grade. You can say September 1st math homework, Arkin, all correct. And then you can click the close. Then you can look at Christian's, Jordan's. Let's say so you can see here Jordan didn't get this correct. And so you can tell me out of these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it seems like she got 0 out of 6 correct. And if you can write like a small phrase of like what, you can say multiplying for equivalent fractions. You can tell me what she got wrong. That way, this will help me kind of look at this and kind of take data on how they're doing in terms of their IEP goals. So I have a 4th grade tab as well and a 5th grade tab. So all the reports are here. It's a mix of math and language arts, so make sure the ones you are clicking, they should be labeled by grade level, the day, and it's a math homework. So this is 4th grade. You can click on the 6 students. Sometimes all the students are turning it in, sometimes not all. So what you can see is ZJ turned in 3 times. So you click on draw it again, then you're gonna look at their answers, like, okay, Melissa knows her base 10 blocks. So on 9, 1 math, Melissa knew all her base 10 blocks. You can write something like that. Yeah, so I'll share my login information with you, and I will share this Google Sheet with you. Thank you.